Hello there, welcome to Wealthy Ways. In a world where financial security is more elusive than ever, the wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki stands out as a beacon of guidance. His book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, is more than just a bestseller. It's a manual for the financially ambitious. Today, we're exploring his top 5 tips for financial success. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, education, the real wealth. Kiyosaki's journey begins with a fundamental premise. Education is wealth. His innovative tools, like the cash flow board game, are designed to teach the principles of money management and prepare you for the financial game of life. Understanding the intricacies of cash flow is the first step towards building real, lasting wealth. Tip number 2, financial self-care. Putting your financial well-being first is a form of self-care. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of paying yourself before anyone else. This means prioritizing savings and investments, securing a prosperous future, and making your financial goals a primary concern. It's about ensuring that your future self is well taken care of. Tip number 3, the safety net strategy. Life is unpredictable, and having a safety net is essential. Kiyosaki advocates for a solid backup plan to cover unexpected expenses or job losses. By being financially prepared, you protect yourself from the shocks of life and maintain your course towards financial freedom. Tip number 4, OPM, other people's money. To maximize your investment potential, Kiyosaki advises using OPM, or other people's money. This involves using borrowed capital to fund investments, allowing you to preserve your own money while expanding your asset portfolio. It's a powerful way to enhance your investment strategy and build wealth. Tip number 5, learn from mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process, and Kiyosaki sees them as valuable lessons. He encourages a mindset that views mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow, leading to better decision-making in the future. By embracing this approach, you pave the way to financial savvy and success. Robert Kiyosaki's advice goes beyond the pages of Rich Dad, Poor Dad to offer actionable steps towards financial independence. Implementing these tips can guide you to a future where financial stability and success are within reach. Embrace these lessons, apply them diligently, and transform your financial destiny with Wealthy Ways.